Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Amazing Nature. In this video, we are going to explore the 10 most dangerous insects in the world. These are the insects that you don't want to mess with, because they can cause serious harm or even death to humans and animals alike. Some of them can bite, sting, or transmit deadly diseases, while others can form massive swarms that can devour anything in their path. So, without further ado, let's get started. 10. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are one of the most common and hated insects in the world. They can survive in almost any environment and can go for long periods of time without food or water. They are also very resilient and can withstand high levels of radiation and heat. But what makes them dangerous is that they carry many disease-causing pathogens, such as salmonella, typhoid, cholera, and dysentery. They can contaminate food and water sources and cause allergic reactions and asthma attacks in some people. Cockroaches are also very hard to get rid of, as they can hide in cracks and crevices and reproduce rapidly. 9. Deer tick. Deer ticks are tiny arachnids that feed on the blood of mammals, birds, and reptiles. They are especially notorious for spreading Lyme disease, a bacterial infection that can cause a range of symptoms, such as rash, fever, headache, joint pain, and heart problems. If left untreated, Lyme disease can lead to chronic complications, such as arthritis, nerve damage, and brain disorders. Deer ticks are most active in the spring and summer, and are found in wooded and grassy areas. To prevent tick bites, it is advisable to wear long sleeves and pants, use insect repellent, and check your body for ticks after spending time outdoors. 8. Driver ants. Driver ants are a type of army ant that live in large colonies of up to 20 million individuals. They are nomadic and constantly on the move, searching for food and new nesting sites. They are also very aggressive and will attack anything that crosses their path, including humans and animals. They use their powerful mandibles to inflict multiple wounds and can cause severe pain, bleeding, and infection. They can also suffocate their victims by crawling into their nostrils and mouth. Driver ants are found in tropical Africa and are known to raid other insect nests, as well as small vertebrates such as lizards, frogs, and snakes. 7. Fire ants. Fire ants are a group of ants that have a reddish-brown color and a painful sting. They are native to South America, but have been accidentally introduced to other parts of the world, such as North America, Australia, and Asia. They are very invasive and can form large mounds that can damage crops, lawns, and buildings. They are also very defensive and will attack anyone who disturbs their nest. Their sting injects a venom that causes a burning sensation, swelling, itching, and blistering. In some cases, fire ant stings can trigger an allergic reaction that can result in difficulty breathing, shock, and death. 6. Asian hornet. Asian hornets, also known as Japanese hornets, are large wasps that can grow up to 5 centimeters in length. They have a yellow and black striped abdomen and a potent sting that can deliver a large dose of venom. Their venom contains a neurotoxin that can cause severe pain, swelling, tissue damage, and kidney failure. They can also cause anaphylactic shock in people who are allergic to their sting. Asian hornets are native to East Asia, but have been accidentally introduced to Europe, where they pose a threat to native bees and other pollinators. They are very aggressive and will chase and sting anyone who provokes them or their nest. 5. Tsetse fly. Tsetse flies are large biting flies that feed on the blood of vertebrates, mainly mammals. They are found in sub-Saharan Africa, where they transmit a parasitic disease called sleeping sickness or human African trypanosomiasis. This disease affects the nervous system and can cause fever, headache, fatigue, confusion, and coma. If left untreated, sleeping sickness can be fatal. Tsetse flies are active during the day and are attracted to movement, color, and odor. They can bite through thin clothing and are resistant to most insecticides. There is no vaccine or preventive drug for sleeping sickness, so the best way to avoid it is to avoid tsetse fly-infested areas. 4. Bullet ant. Bullet ants are the largest ants in the world, measuring up to 3 centimeters in length. They are named after their sting, which is said to be as painful as a bullet wound. Their sting contains a neurotoxin that can cause intense pain, numbness, swelling, and sweating. The pain can last for up to 24 hours and can be accompanied by fever, nausea, and vomiting. Bullet ants are found in the rainforests of Central and South America, where they live in colonies of up to 10,000 individuals. They are also used in a ritual initiation by some indigenous tribes who have to endure multiple stings to prove their bravery and maturity. 3. Black widow spider. Black widow spiders are not technically insects, but they are closely related to them. They are one of the most venomous spiders in the world and can be recognized by their shiny black body and red hourglass mark on their abdomen. They are found in temperate regions of North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Australia. They usually hide in dark and secluded places, such as wood piles, garages, and basements. They are not aggressive and will only bite when they feel threatened or disturbed. Their bite injects a venom that is neurotoxic, meaning that it affects the nervous system. Their bite can cause muscle spasms, abdominal cramps, nausea, difficulty breathing, and death in rare cases. 2. Mosquito. Mosquitoes are small flying insects that feed on the blood of humans and animals. They are found in almost every part of the world, except for Antarctica and some islands. They are most active at dawn and dusk and are attracted to heat, carbon dioxide, and body odor. They can transmit many diseases such as malaria, dengue, yellow fever, Zika, West Nile, and chikungunya. These diseases can cause symptoms such as fever, headache, rash, joint pain, and bleeding. Some of them can also lead to complications such as brain damage, organ failure, and death. Mosquitoes are responsible for millions of deaths every year, making them the deadliest insects in the world. 1. Killer bees. Killer bees are a hybrid of the European honeybee and the East African lowland honeybee. They are also known as Africanized honeybees because they have more traits from the African subspecies. Killer bees are notorious for their aggressive behavior and tendency to attack in large numbers. They can chase their victims for up to a quarter of a mile and inflict multiple stings. Killer bees are not more venomous than other bees, but they can cause more harm because of their sheer numbers. They are also more adaptable and invasive than other bees and can colonize a wide range of habitats. If you found this journey through the 10 most dangerous insects in the world fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible content. Stay tuned for our next adventure into the wonders of the natural world. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which insect surprised you the most?